So continuing on with the rebuild series, so bearings that I'm going to use for this build is the SKFs, steel bearings, steel race, all steel. So if you get a bit of grease when they come, if there's a bit of grease packed in there, get that washed out before you put them in the cases. These are your nylon ones, plastic race bearings. So the only difference between the two is when they feel. So when the plastic one feels, it won't wreck your cylinder, and well, it won't do as much damage as the steel race bearing would to your cylinder and your piston and whatnot. So, but I'm going for the SKFs on this one. Yeah, they're a nice bearing.